Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to announce the winner for the Cherry FPV racing antenna giveaway that I announced a couple of weeks ago. Now, thank you to everybody that got involved with this and left a comment and liked the video. So there's about 220 odd comments on here. There's probably slightly less individual ones. So what we'll do, let me put the URL of the video into the random comment picker and load all of the comments. There they are coming. And the winner of one set of antennas is AJ. AJ, congratulations. You have won one set of the antennas. AJ, I'm very pleased that you've won this because I noticed that you do comment on quite a lot of the videos. So pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get these out to you and you can have a go yourself. Commiserations to everybody else that didn't win, but do make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have the bell notification icon turned on, because there are going to be other giveaways on the channel soon. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.